Welcome. Today, I am going to show you how to grow an aloe vera plant in water. For this, you need an aloe vera plant growing in soil, a glass bottle or jar and water. The first step is to carefully remove the aloe vera from its current container. Tap the pot from outside gently to loosen the plant's root ball. Once it's loose, slide the plant out of the pot. Carefully remove the soil around the roots. The plant has produced several offshoots or pups around the base. Gently separate the pups from the mother plant using your hands. Select a healthy pup having some roots that you want to transfer in water. Wash it thoroughly in water to clean the roots. Take a glass bottle or jar, preferably with a narrow mouth. Put some pebbles in the bottle. Fill the bottle with distilled water or rainwater. The tap water is not good, because of the minerals it contains. Now insert the roots of the plant in the pot, ensuring that the roots are completely submerged in the water. The leaves should be out of water. Only the roots should touch the water to prevent leaf rot. There is no need of putting pebbles in the vessel of narrow neck. The plant will rest on the mouth. Care tips for aloe vera plant in water. Rainwater or distilled water is the best. Change the water once a week. Add a few drops of liquid fertilizer in water every 2 weeks. Keep the leaves clean by spraying water. Place your aloe vera plant out of direct sunlight.